Good afternoon. We're just going to have a quick look at a live trade that's going on at the moment. It's Monday the 22nd of November 2010. It's about 1:30. We've got a couple of lines drawn in on the GBP USD 15-minute chart. You can see the price has been locked now for about a week into this gradually contracting channel. Very strong resistance line at the top there, covering the whole week's data. Three really good contact points on it, possibly four if you consider that as two. And then we've got the support line on the other side of it with lots of contact points just across the bottom here forming this line. Now we've just started to see that break now, and you can see here the support line is breaking, and we're just going to go in and look at the trade that's generating around it. We just zoom into the next level. You can see that the first candle to sort of break it and go below it is this red candle here. That's posted a low point of 1.5958, and so our entry point 5 points beyond the end of that is at 1.5853, which is just there, and we're going to put our profit target at 1.5833, which is down there. And as you can see, our trade has now opened, and it's just in profit by a point or two at the moment, and you can see we're looking for it to come down here and hit 1.5933. You can just see the price bobbing around at the moment, live around about our entry point. We've got some support from the two shorter term moving averages, but we're trading against the 200 moving average, which is showing an upward trend, but you can see it just starting to flatten off. But we've seen over the last few hours the two short turns, the 34 and the 55, both turn and start to come downwards. So we're now expecting the price to push on through and hit our profit target shortly. So we'll leave it there for now, and we'll come back with an update as the price progresses and hopefully hits our profit target very soon. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, just want to update on this trade this afternoon, 22nd of November 2010. You recall in the last section of this video, we opened our trade on this long-term trend line. If I just zoom out, we can have another look at where that trend line was. If you remember, we had this resistance line up here, support line down here, pushing the price into this contracting triangle, and we're expecting some break and some momentum beyond it. We saw a break happen here. If we just zoom into where that was, we can bring it across here. We saw our break happen. Our break candle is here. We saw our trade open 5 points below that at 1.5953, and we were looking for the momentum to take it down here. As you can see, that has now happened. I'm just going to draw our stop in there because that's clearly quite important, as the price did come quite a long way back here. Our stop would have been 30 points away from our open, so that would have been at 1.5983. So if I can just put that on there, I'll put that in as a black line for our stop, and you can see that just sitting up there. The price opened here and then started to retrace almost straight away. Next sort of half a dozen or so candles coming right back here, coming to within, how close did it get? About 6 points of our stop. So it gets quite close, but never really troubling it too much, and then finally gets some momentum and pushes through and gets through to our profit target. We've just seen that hit our profit target in close about an hour or so ago. So a successful trade this afternoon. 34 is pushing on down here, so we've got some good momentum behind the partial at the moment, but in terms of the bulk trade, we've had a good successful bulk trade this afternoon, and 20 points have been made pretty straightforward this afternoon off that long-term support line. Okay, that's it for this trade on GBP USD 15-minute chart on the afternoon of Monday the 22nd of November 2010.